Okay, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi Lesson 19, Simple Control of Servo from Raspberry Pi. I'm gonna start up my program, and okay, you'll see the program output in the upper right window. Now I'm gonna rotate this potentiometer. You're gonna see it's going backwards right now, but yeah, you can, if I rotate it, you'd be going the right way. You can see it's a very smooth signal. Had to do a couple tricks to get that working right. And yeah, I think it's working pretty well. So let's see, there were three issues that I had mostly with this project. The first was a power supply issue. Now I was hooking the servo, I was powering the servo directly from the Raspberry Pi at first, and that was causing the Raspberry Pi to die, or basically restart it automatically after a couple seconds. So what I did was I switched to an external power supply using this module here, and powered by a 9-volt battery. And now my Raspberry Pi is working fine. It's not dying in the middle of moving the servo. So that was number one. Number two was this horn was really kind of jittering. Even you weren't touching it, it would just go back and forth. And that seems to be related to whether you're doing pulse width modulation through software or through the hardware. I'm not really sure of the specifics, but I switched up my Python code from RPI GPIO to another library called PI GPIO. And that really helped to smooth out the signal. And as you can see here, there's not a lot of jitter at all. Now the third thing was this potentiometer was really kind of the signal coming from this potentiometer was kind of fluctuating a lot, especially in the upper range. When we get to, like, to over 200, it would really just kind of go bonkers. But I was able to fix that a little bit using a rolling average over these values instead of feeding them directly into the putting them directly as the duty cycle. So right now I'm taking a rolling average. That's why you can see there's a little bit of a delay. It's because there's a rolling average in there, but that really has helped smooth out the signal coming from the potentiometer. So a combination of those three things has gotten me these results, and I think this looks pretty good.